Introduction to JSON. JavaScript Object Notation, JSON, is a text-based format for representing structured data, used for transmitting data in web applications serving as an alternative to XML. In JavaScript, JSON is a native object integrated into the language. Understanding JSON Parse. JSON.parse is a method in JavaScript that parses a JSON string, constructing the JavaScript value or object described by the string. It allows to transform a JSON text into a JavaScript object, making it possible to use the data in applications. Using JSON Parse with different data types, JSON Parse can process various data types, not just objects. It can parse JSON strings that represent an array, a number, or a Boolean. Reviver function in JSON.parse. The second parameter of JSON.parse is a reviver function that is used to peruse the resulting value. It allows to modify the contents of the object before it is returned. Tips and tricks: ensure the string is in correct JSON format to avoid errors while using JSON.parse. Use try-catch block while parsing to handle errors gracefully. Be mindful about using JSON.parse with data from an untrusted source, as it can lead to JavaScript injections. When dealing with large numbers, JSON.parse may not return accurate results due to JavaScript's limitations with large numbers. Conclusion: understanding JSON parse is fundamental to working with JSON in JavaScript. By keeping in mind the tips and tricks shared, you can avoid common errors and use JSON parse effectively and efficiently.